Welcome back. Now let us learn the application of AI in telecom industry. One of the things that telecom industry have been using for a lot, and it has been used for a number of years, is the cross-sell and upsell. The definition of cross-sell has been that you are a customer and there are similar customers like you somewhere in other country or other part of the geography. They wanted to sell the similar product, and upsell is upgrading your features, and this is being done a number of areas. So let's assume that you are a customer of say a prepaid mobile, and based on your portfolio and your usage and other things, other product may be suggested for you. So it is very difficult to say that if you are a prepaid customer, will it be suggested that you should use the postpaid because it is more economical or it is more beneficial for you. They can suggest the broadband and so on. It is very difficult that this one, because this matrix is very complex. It may happen that for few of the users say something one product will be good, and for few of the users other product will be good. But this is very complex, and through this diagram I'm just trying to show that everything is related. Sometimes if you see this self, it means if you are a prepaid customer, and it may happen that any particular plan will be more useful for you. So suggestion may come that if you migrate to this particular plan, it will be more economical and more useful for you. And that suggestion comes based on analysis of the calls you are making, the usage pattern, and the place where you are using it. So there are a lot of the parameters that defines how are you using the product. So this is the one of the features that is being used for a number of years. And another feature is a churn prediction. In case of telecom industry, when the person will switch one operator to another operator, no one knows, and it happens very frequently, and that is why the analysis of churn has been there in this industry for a good number of years. And if you see this, any particular user, this user is having its own profile. It has the LTV, lifetime value, the transactions it is doing, the behavior, the way it is giving you the feedback, the number of products that are using, and so many. If you try to see that any particular user, it has the so many things. How does this churn prediction really works out? It is starts with the historical data. It means there are many customers like you. They try to do the analysis for them, and then all instance of connections, basically how many connections you have, what all the work you have been doing with your phone, what are the things you are doing, or what are the things the people similar to you are doing. Okay, and then remove some of the unprofitable customers because they may be the noise, and then try to predict the probability of churn. This is how it really works out. And if you see that this user is not a single entity. This user means profile, payment history, transactions, behavior, feedback, and various other products. It's very complex. It's very complex. Okay, and that is why this system, AI system, can help in this situation. The other one is in case of telecom industry, even though if you whichever country you stay, you will observe that you can make a call across world. So what's happening that if someone is trying to break the system, or genuinely there are too much call is going on, then definitely you can observe those situations. Those will be different from normal, and generally anomaly is the word used for that. So you try to detect across world where are the transactions or the calls are going on that those are beyond normal, and then you try to detect. Then once you say, let's assume that this is in Europe, and then you can get into the Europe. Then you see that inside Europe which country it is causing, then you can get further level down and you keep on going it. In this way you can find it out to the bottom of anomaly, that where the really anomaly is happening. And doing the further analysis, you can really understand whether it is a genuine anomaly or it is the brute force attack. So that will be analyzed further. The other is the fraud detection. So in case of fraud, in case of telecom also, there have been a lot of the financial transactions are going on, and the calls are being made, whether it is ISD, STD, and so on. So a lot of the things some people manipulate as well. That is what we try to do, that can we detect a fraud. And depending upon the different kinds of fraud, different solutions are proposed in the telecom industry. And this is a bit generic one, not a specific to telecom, it is a bit generic one, is speech recognition. If you see the United Nations, where the people from the different countries speak in their own language, and that get translated almost runtime so that other people can understand. So if you have say any one language, here the person is speaking that language, and it's get translated to the different language. So this is their speech recognition, is also one of the applications, and I have put it here. So it is not necessarily specific to telecom, although it is a quite generic one, but I have put it here just for because it is related to the voice. Next one, there have been lot of the area in telecom part where AI is contributing. Lead engagement, getting a new customer service using the chatbot, personalized campaign. If you see that instead of a generic campaign, can you send the personalized campaign? Then there have been the networks, can it correct itself, can it optimize itself, and so on. And try to analyze the call records to detect the fraud, and what should be the network quality, then the security attack, and the improved customer experience. So these are the area that where the AI has been contributing in the telecom, and it has been successfully contributing. That is what, if you see the quote by AT&T, and it helps. So what this says, we are implementing AI to help us to identify where these breakpoints are, help to repair those in an automated way without human intervention. If you see the notice, without human intervention. So it's without human intervention, that is almost automated. And this goes for hardware failure, software failures. So that is where AI is helping a lot in telecom industry. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you in the next one.